We have volunteered to create a function that will take a float and return the amount formatted in dollars and cents. Well, what we have to do is the following. When we return the amount, it won't be enough. We have to format it. Yeah, as you can see, we have to add a dollar sign and we have to return this float as a string. First of all, we create the string, then we add the dollar sign, and then a placeholder. And what we have to do is to pass in this argument to the placeholder with the format method. So dot format, we pass in the argument amount, and that should be enough, I guess. Let's test it out. Yeah, attempt. Well, it isn't. In all circumstances, there have to be 2 decimals after the dot. So what we can do is the following. We can use string formatting, and what we have to pass into the placeholder is this, colon dot to f. Well, let's test it out. Attempt. We have a double curly brace. Submit. And there we go. I hope this video has been useful. I hope to see you in the next video. Ciao.